my YouTubers, and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. Just before we start this video, I just want to thank all my subscribers that watch my videos. I'm very happy with my 750 something subscribers. Please keep watching, and honestly please get some more people to subscribe, and hopefully if you see this video and you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. I would like my channel to get to 1,000 or more. So it's a Sunday, so on Sundays we do sofa demos, and I do appreciate that a lot of you do enjoy my Sunday sofa demoing. However, some bad news, it will be coming to an end, as next week will be my last in scheduled sofa demo. Any future vacuum cleaners that I should buy or receive or get that has a hose attachment or a hose, there will be a sofa demo. It's as simple as that. I have literally ran out of machines that have hoses, so next week will be my last. I won't tell you what vacuum cleaner I'll be using, but it's a surprise. So yes, let's get on with it. So it's Sunday and it's sofa demo day. So we've got here my rare 1981 Hoover Junior U2128, and hopefully the Royal Wedding Special will do a good job. Now the pan converter and the hose and that is off my U2104, but it's fine because this machine uses exactly the same parts as that anyway. So let's get on with it. Right YouTubers, thanks for watching. I thought she did really well. The motor though, the sound of her motor, wow, it's amazing. I love it. Its suction wasn't too bad. It wasn't powerful like pneumatics are and Kirby's, but nevertheless she did a good job. Nice clean sofa again, and yes, so that's I'm quite happy with. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.